Senator Win Gatchalian is not convinced on the testimonies of Alice Guo's sister Sheila. Gatchalian says there were inconsistencies in Sheila's remarks, so she could not become a state witness. Instead of using boats, the senator says it is still possible that they use chartered flights with the help of someone from the government.
We have to be very careful with this Guo family. No? Parang ano sila mga professional parang professional liars and professional swindlers. Nakita natin nung una kay Guo Huaping, inarating pare-pareho dito sa pamilyang to. No? At nadala na tayo. Yung narrative ni Sheila, pareho kay Guo Huaping, and we cannot take it hook, line, and sinker.
Meanwhile, Sheila's companion Cassandra Ong told House lawmakers that she is not a business partner of Alice. Ong admitted that she's the girlfriend of Alice's brother, Wesley, but she had no links to illegal pogo.
I'm not related to any pogo po. Yung business po namin is nag-rent lang para sa mga...
Ano po yung business niyo?
Building, real estate lang po.
We all know naman that articles of incorporation for corporations, you can put anyone on it Kasi lagay mo yung anak mo, lagay mo yung tito-tita mo, just to form a corporation, madali po yan igawin. So ito, being the girlfriend of Wesley, the supposed brother of Alice Guo, baka they used her as a front to funnel in money. That's what si Congressman Dan Fernandez thinks nangyayari. It's because if you look at the timeline of events, that time na nagsisimula itong mga pogo na to at yung billion na pesos na pumapasok, si Cassandra was 19 years old. Barely 19 years old.
I was checking nga yung background nito ni Cassandra nung nagsimula siya nga daw na merong mga milk tea sa San Juan, kung saan siya pinanganak.
Yeah.
Naturalized yung father niya. No?
Definitely Filipino.
Definitely Filipino siya. Yung daddy niya kasi at saka mami niya, both are Chinese.
Yeah.
Pero
naturalized sila. 1978 ata.
And then she was born here in the Philippines sa San Juan. Tapos yun nga, nag-start siya sa mga small business like milk tea. Eventually, nagkaroon siya ng mga aesthetic center at saka baka din daw nagkaroon siya ng cafe, restaurant, and resort sa city. And then, doon na nag-start na parang nag-connect na sila doon sa pag-opening.
Naging girlfriend kasi ni Wesley.
Ano ba yon? Confirm ba yon yung girlfriend?
Siya nagsabi. Cassandra nagsabi. Oo. She said so herself. Anyway,
pero anyway, pumayag na ang House of Representatives na sa susunod na hearing ng Senate ay makapunta naman doon si Cassandra Leong. Kasi if you can remember, nabanggit ko rin yun dito, Senate is requesting House of Representatives.
They'll transport her daw.
Kung pwede nila makapagsalita as resource person itong si Cassandra.
Okay.
Mahabang ano pa yan mahabang investigasyon pa yan at talagang kailangan mo na gumawa ng mga ang tawag doon genealogy para makonect mo na itong mga investigasyon na to na nagli-link kila Alice Guo and the rest of the Pogo family. All right, let's continue with our